chicken cutlets are your friend if you have small boobs. Okay, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm actually very annoying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today's video is going to be a bit of a different one. I'm going to be talking about boobies today. I'm going to be talking about boobs.
I'm going to say insecure because you always talk about how you're so flat chested, like get over it. If you're so bothered, why don't you just get a boob job?
No sis, I don't want a boob job, even though I was sucked in at one point to get a boob job, but I saw the light and God said, my child, I gave you this small breast for a reason. So today's video is going to be about boobs, and it's going to be about the struggle I have faced being small in the breast department, and I might even throw in some tips for my fellow small-breasted ladies who maybe are feeling a little bit insecure, what with, you know, to society's surgery epidemic. You know what I'm trying to say. A lot of people are getting surgery nowadays, and you know, it's hard not to get sucked in. So I personally, I am, well, I don't actually know. The last time I got tested, last time I got sized up, I believe they said I was a 34B. I have graduated from an A cup to a B cup. I know. But I do believe I'm a very, very small B. It may look like my tatas are, you know, a decent size, but honey, when I take off this bra, it's it's like I'm flat. So I'm going to be showing you and telling you how I make my boobs, you know, appear larger than what they actually are. The first thing that I've actually done today, I've learnt it's all about light. It's all about perception and visionary light. I don't even know what I was just doing. So what I've actually done today, I've put on the Nip&fab liquid gold, and I believe this is the bronze. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, in deep gold. So product looks like this. I'll leave it in the description box if you want to purchase. It's very reasonably priced. Like I said, it's all about light. So what I've done is I've basically put the product all over my decolletage area, focusing in the middle. And what that's going to do is almost like contouring and highlighting your breasts. So you're highlighting, by doing that, the light is literally going to catch the middle of your chest, and what that's going to do is it's going to create a shadow on both sides. And if it creates a shadow on both sides, it makes the breasts appear a lot more shaped and a lot fuller. So that's what I've done. I hope that makes sense. For example, if I didn't have this on, my chest will look very 2D and very flat. But because I have on the highlighter, oh yeah, I forgot to say that's a highlighter. It's like a liquid highlighter. I probably should show you what it looks like. So it looks like this, and it's just a liquid highlighter. It can be used on the face, it can be used on the body. Today I've used it on my body, and like I said, it's created light and it makes my boobs look a lot bigger. Another thing you can do, I've been doing this for years. I have stories about these things. But another thing you can do, you could use chicken cutlets or fish fillets. I don't know what you guys call them for wherever you're from, but they look like this. I've had these particular ones for the longest time. I should probably throw them out and get new ones, but they're basically like silicone fillets, right? And what you do, you put them in your bra, and it basically lifts your bra up and it gives you the illusion of a bigger cup size. I could just quickly put them in and show you what they look like. Let me just quickly do that. One sec. So I've just put it in on one boob. I don't know if you can notice the difference, but this boob just looks like it's about to hit my chin. There's only certain clothes where you can get away with this step. Trust me girl, I've been a victim of this thing falling out, and let's just say it's not cute. It's not cute. So you have to be really careful with this. Only wear this with a top or a bra that has underwire, because I've learnt the hard way. This thing has fallen out and has embarrassed me in more ways than I would ever wish on my enemy. So be careful girl. Okay, so what it does, it basically just, you know, gives you more of a lift and gives you a bigger cup. If you are really small and you're really conscious about it, don't do it so like you're pressing your, you know, your thing together. Because I used to be the flat chested girl who just wanted to be obnoxious with the fact that like I'm stuffing my bra. So like my thing would be like this. Like it doesn't need to be, your breasts don't need to be touching each other. You don't need to do all that. All you need is for them just to give it a little lift and a little bit of a cup. That's all you need. Don't need to be doing the most. If I want them to look bigger, I would use these. So it just really depends on what I'm wearing and if I can get away with it. Chicken cutlets are your friend if you have small boobs. And these tips can also work with people who have medium-sized boobs or big boobs. If you just want to be greedy and have bigger boobs, then you can of course like do them too. Another tip I would say, I don't have the Victoria's Secret bra, you know, the one that every flat-chested girl has. I think it's called like the Wonder Bra or something. It basically has a lot of padding in it and it basically like pushes your breasts together. I don't have that bra. It's kind of expensive, I don't know, but I've never looked into getting it. It didn't really interest me because there's Primark and Primark does the, you know, the stuff, the bras with the big stuff in it and it pushes it together. So why am I spending a big like £50 on bra when I can spend 10? Anywho, this bra, however, I would recommend. I feel like a lot of flat-chested girls need this bra. And the bra I'm talking about is this one right here. Mine is broken. Ooh, okay. Mine is actually broken, but this is a plunge bra. I'll show you what it looks like here. So you basically, there's like string hanging off of this thing everywhere. You basically, when I say mine's broken, the straps like came off and it won't go back on, so it's a bit annoying. This particular plunge bra I bought from Topshop years ago, and it's actually, let me see the size, I think it's a 32A when I was a lot smaller. I mean like body wise, not boob wise. I think it's a 32A and it's called the Wonder, oh it's actually called the Wonder Bra, but I got it from Topshop. And it has, not padding, but it has like, I wouldn't say underwire. I think it's not really underwire, it's like a piece of plastic here. This bra is really good if you want to wear a deep plunge top and you don't have a lot of breast assist. We struggle with that a lot because if we wear a deep plunge top with no bra, like you guys say, oh my god, I love to be flat chested, you can just like walk around with no bra. No, because if I did that, all you're gonna see is my nipples like just shooting you, just boop. So what it does, it pulls your boobs up and it pushes them together, so it gives you that really nice cleavage look. And it will also, the deep plunge allows you to wear low cut tops, which is really good. I really recommend this bra. I need to get a new one because this one is obviously broken, but this bra has helped me out with so many like clothes. Because being flat chested, it's so hard to find things that actually work for your shape, because a lot of clothes are actually made for people who have a bust and we don't have a bust. So even like as simple as a top, and it will have like, you know, the tops that have the outline of where your bust is supposed to go. On us, that just sits like really flat and it just looks really weird. So wearing a bra like that just gives it a nice shape and pushes the boobs together to make you look more feminine. Because sometimes as, you know, a flat-chested girl, you do look feminine. Obviously you're a woman, but you can look a bit childlike with the, you know, lack of breasts. Those are my tips on helping you out with your flat-chested struggle. It's a little bit of a struggle, and I feel like people who have boobs just think we have it easy. We don't have to wear bras, we can just like walk around with like no bra all day and it's so fun. And no, it's hard for us to find clothes too. It's hard for us to find bras too. It's actually harder to make bras for people who don't have a big bust. So we struggle too, girls. Don't get it twisted. We struggle too. But I hope this video has helped out any of the small-breasted girls out there, because when I was younger, I really would have loved to see a video like this helping me out a little bit, because I was so like obsessed with stuffing my bra to the high heavens and like pushing them up, and all you can see is like skin just pushing together. But we don't really have to do that. It's not that deep. It's just boobs. I feel like I've been talking for ages, so I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon in a next video. Bye.